Welcome to Clover Wheels channel. Winter is quite beautiful and peaceful in our region. White snow covers sleeping nature, and garage is covering your precious vintage car. But during that time, you really miss warm and long summer days, spending your time indoors. In one moment you realize that life sometimes is too unpredictable, and you just can't spend it just dreaming and waiting. Then, I asked myself, why I can't use my favorite car as a daily drive? Why don't add more happiness and joy everywhere and anytime? But how about our iron-unfriendly climate, and tons of salt during every snowfall? I think I have made a good decision. So, I found the best available solution, and will use this one for daily driver. Yes, it's another Ford Escort in Caspian blue color. Just by accident. I have found this car in neighboring Lithuania. Previously it was living in Belgium. Car was mostly standing, rather than driving. And later, you will understand why. Previously, in same Lithuania, I was planning to take basic model in sunburst red, but it was too gone to be salvaged with my budget. And now, I am happy owner of such Escort that I was trying to avoid. The same color as my first one, and most important, with automatic gearbox. Life is really unpredictable thing. But hey, it's still the iconic mk3, and with more powerful 1.6 cvh engine and tow bar for my trailer. Also, it's a version with upgraded suspension, which is better for daily use. Many parts on this car are original, even wipers and windscreen. After successful registration, I can enjoy this thing with full swing. But as any old car that was mostly standing, it requires some work to make it great again.